4 options we're talking about here. We're going to be starting off with the Dobberson 2-inch lift, Australian made, representing, catering to the Yankee market. Now I've done a 2-inch IMS kit all round on this, and we also use some Ironman upper control arms on this. Now to come over here, we're going to be introducing the Diesel Vegas. This Diesel Vegas comes in a 20x9. We've wrapped it up with the Yokohama GO16s and the ATs because Wagdy doesn't like it loud at all. Now introducing another Australian made product, we've got the Platinum stainless steel snorkel, massive 5-inch pipe with the airbox. That's all done. It's big and black and very loud. Now another pretty sick Australian made feature. Damn right, we've got the short bed, HSP, roller cover, Series 3 with a massive LED in there. It's obviously a bit wet because it hasn't been raining, but we did test it. We tested all our roller shutters because they are water resistant. Don't get it confused, it's not waterproof, it's water resistant. Double lock, all you gotta do is hit it twice and it closes like so, as you can clearly see over here. Best part about it is, this bad boy here does not get in the way. Now most importantly, checking it out for you here, as you can see when the roller shutter closes, the light dims. So it's like that song, Let's Get It On. Who sings that? Is that Lenny Kravitz? Someone sings it. But let's get it on. Check it out, yeah, watch this. Look at it, it dims. It dims. So if you ever want to like murder someone and put him in there, makes it very romantic. Not implying anything, but you know how we do. And closes like so. I think this is the baddest Ram we've built. We are going to be building more Rams. These cars are getting super popular. So as for wheels and tires, we've got you guys covered. Suspension, we've got you covered. Snorkel, we've got you covered. Roller shutter, we've got you covered. And we also do some bull bars for them. So guys, stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe. And if you don't like it, I don't give a f. And a massive shout out to all our suppliers. We are doing everything we can to get Aussie made products for any car, whether it's made in Thailand or USA or in China. We don't care where you are, we want to get it done. Come down and see us. 2 great locations. I'm at Silverwater, on Silverwater Road. Very short and simple like myself. Come see us and the boys will show you how to do anything, bro.